shit, I guess I'm starting a YouTube channel. So I'm outside of my first vending machine location right now. You can see right behind me, the truck is actually getting ready to drop off the vending machine. We're able to get a vending machine. When I say we, that's my company, Steel City Snacks. We're able to get the vending machine for about $5,000 to $500. We got the location first, so we knew what size vending machine to get, or knew what size vending machine to get, I'm sorry, in proper English. And now you see right there, it's getting ready to load on. So let's go. Alright, so here goes one of the most difficult parts about the machine. We got the little helper in the background. She didn't hear what I said. Anyway, we are now stocking the machine. You said what? Yeah, that's what I just said. We got the helper in the background. It's crazy how good this camera is. Cause you yeah, she used to help y'all. But yeah, you're in the background with this blurry, but like, yeah, it's cool. Still, let's go stock. So yeah, now we can try to do this without it breaking. Okay, cool. Let's start with the small stuff. So some cost you.
Let's say that again without your elbow in your face.
Yeah, so when you're dealing with snacks and you're trying to price them, you want to find out what the unit price is. So if a box of this costs, what, $10, and each one of these costs 50 cents, I would multiply that by 3, and I would want to sell this by 150, or sell this for 150, or like 175, 160, somewhere right there, so you know you're making your money back.